The first image of the DJI Mavic 2 has reportedly leaked, revealing what the next DJI drone looks like and what it may offer. The leaked image had been acquired by Drone DJ, over a week before a supposedly big event planned by DJI that was pushed back. If this is really the DJI Mavic 2, drone enthusiasts should definitely get excited about it. What will the DJI Mavic 2 offer? According to Drone DJ, it received an email that contained what appeared to be the first real photo of the next DJI drone, the DJI Mavic 2. DJI was planning to hold an event titled See the Bigger Picture on July 18, but it was pushed back. The speculation is that the event will unveil the company's next drone after the DJI Mavic Pro, as the artwork for the event hints that imaging will be the highlight. A closer look at the alleged DJI Mavic 2 photo revealed that it looked like a sleeker and more aerodynamic DJI Mavic Pro. The drone also appeared to have two different sensor sizes, with what looked like a 1-inch sensor equipped to it and a 1.7 sensor on the table. It also looked like the DJI Mavic 2 has a swappable camera gimbal, similar to the GoPro Karma. Only the DJI Phantom drones have wide-angle lenses, but a swappable gimbal and sensor may finally bring the feature to the DJI Mavic 2. This may explain the title of the See the Bigger Picture event. Another feature that was speculated from the leaked DJI Mavic 2 image is 360-degree obstacle avoidance. There appears to be cameras and sensors for that purpose at the front and sides, and most likely at the bottom and the back of the drone. DJI Mavic 2 questions. If the DJI Mavic 2 leak shows an accurate image, there are still some remaining questions about the next DJI drone. First and foremost would be the DJI Mavic 2 release date. With the See the Bigger Picture event pushed back, there is no indication on when the drone will hit the market. Also, does its name mean that DJI is dropping the Pro name from the DJI Mavic Pro with the release of the DJI Mavic 2 as its successor? Or does this mean that there are two separate lines, one for the DJI Mavic drones and another for the DJI Mavic Pro drones? Arguably the more important question, however, is the DJI Mavic 2 price. The DJI Mavic Pro price is at $999 and the DJI Mavic Air price is at $799, but it remains unclear where the price point of the DJI Mavic 2 will be placed.